there was the EFS intelligent tiering. We saw quite a lot of data on EFS, and the data was basically in the standard storage class always. And then the data was just increasing in volume. It became quite expensive, but we never really thought this is something we can challenge. We thought well, this is what it is. And then we looked into, that is something called intelligent tiering. And it's there is no risk. The only risk is it's gonna be more expensive if we implement it bad. And we looked into it, we experimented with it, and then we reduced the EFS cost by, it was over 90%. It was ridiculous. And there was just one line configuration in Terraform.
Yeah, so the intelligent tiering it's a really cool and a similar one with S3. It's a really cool solution to just take that away from you, and you don't have to worry about it. The scary part is when you do turn that on, right? Some of the changes that I remember when S3, we spoke about this in our I think the last episode with Ian and the other terms. When we first turned on S3 intelligent tiering in AWS, people didn't realize how many operations would be involved in moving things, and bills went through the roof for a little while. But if you've identified your data access patterns, and you know that there's a lot of hot data and there's a lot of cold data that you don't access that often, then it's much cheaper to move it into the infrequent access tiers and things like that. So it's a nice solution.